Hi, my friend. I am Lina Hanson, and welcome to the 10-day face healing challenge. We all know that consistency is key when it comes to facial exercises and massages, but lately I've been finding it hard times to stay consistent with it. And maybe it's the pre-holiday rush, it's all the behind the scenes work I do on my skincare line, and just been having a hard time staying consistent. So for that reason, I decided to do this 10-day challenge just to kind of reconnect with myself again. And so each day we're going to be working on different modalities. So one day we'll do face yoga, one day we'll do gua sha and acupressure, and another day facial massages. So this is a really comprehensive, well-rounded approach if you want to get consistent again with your rituals. And the best part of it, it's less than 10 minutes each day. So by taking 10 minutes each day to connect with our skin, it can make such a difference with our face and our skin and just our overall well-being. So take this challenge with me. Let's get consistent again and let's begin. So for the first day, we are going to wake up our muscles and we're going to boost the circulation in our face. So this is the number one step to kind of giving that vibrant and glowy look to your skin. And what we're going to start with, you want to make sure that you have a clean face. And you want to ideally apply a little bit of a face oil or a balm. And I'm applying Global Treasures Balm today. It's a really lovely balm, nourishing balm. And I love using this balm in the winter time when my skin feels a little bit more dry and dull. So you want to apply a little bit all around your face here, your neck area, and your forehead. And it's really important too, because when we're doing face yoga, you want to make sure you're not tugging on the skin at all. So you want to have a sleek and smooth surface. Okay, so we're gonna get started by doing some tapping all over our face here. We're gonna start gently here around the jaw area. Gentle tapping. And we're gonna move our way up to the cheeks, around our eyes, going up to the forehead area. And this is such a wonderful way to wake up our skin, wake up our muscles, boosting the circulation in our face, and getting some nice glow to the skin. So I'm going to tap all over the face like this, going down to the jaw area again. And now we can gently tap all the way to our neck area here and the chest area. Take a nice deep breath. Wonderful. So the next exercise we're going to do is working on our cheek area to really lift and firm and tone the cheek muscles. So we're going to go from an O shape with our mouth to a smile. So it looks like this. And we're going to go back and forth like this, and this is going to engage the cheek muscles and really help to lift and firm. Wonderful. You might be feeling this in your cheek area a little bit here, some slight kind of vibration feeling, and that's completely normal. It means that we're engaging the cheek muscles. So we're gonna go and do this again, but make sure you're not making big expressions with your face here. It's really very slight, and it's really just about engaging this muscle. So keep your attention on this muscle right here. Wonderful. Next, we're going to be working on our eye area. So this is my favorite, to sort of just wake up the eyes, make them look a little bit more awake, and kind of reduce some of the dark circles underneath our eyes and the puffiness. So we're going to look straight, relax your shoulders, and then we are going to look up and hold there for a few seconds. Without moving your chest, without moving your head, anything, your shoulders, you're just looking up. We're going to hold here, and then we're going to look down. Hold here for a few seconds. Now we're going to look right. Hold here for a few seconds. And then look left. And hold here. Wonderful. We're going to do this one more time. So look up, hold here, look down, look to the right, and then look to the left. Wonderful. So this is really waking up the eye area and kind of makes your whole eyes and kind of wakes up your entire face actually. Okay, so the next exercise we're going to do is take your fingers here, hold them here for support. You're going to take your finger and your thumb, and you're going to glide all the way out from the chin to the ear like this. And we're going to go 10 on each side. Let's go on the other side. This is really wonderful for releasing any of that tension in our jaw. We tend to hold a lot of tension in our jaw area, and this is going to help release that tension, boost the circulation, smooth and tighten and tone our jaw area. Wonderful. So to end this routine, let's just warm our palms together like this. And then just place the palms over our face like this. And take a nice deep breath. Wonderful. You are ready for the day. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you tune in for the rest of the days of this challenge. This is really a way for you to connect with yourself. So thanks for watching and joining me today, and I will see you in next class.